In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Python language support to Visual Studio Code. All right, here we go. It's super easy. All you have to do is open up Visual Studio Code. And then where it says Customize for Tools and Languages off here to the right, all you have to do is click the little button here that says Python to install additional support for Python. And then down here, you'll have a notification box that says the window will reload after installing additional support for Python. Go ahead and click OK. And it'll take a moment. All right. Once additional support for Python has been added, you'll see that the window is refreshed. And you'll also see up here under Customize for Tools and Languages that Python has gone from blue color to gray. And if you hover over where it says Python right here, it says Python support is already installed. So that's all we need to do for right now before we start creating our first programs.